Pankaj Tripathi has won our hearts with his exceptional talent and magnetic screen presence. Right, people? Either we talk about him portraying iconic characters in critically acclaimed films or stealing the show with his amazing performances in various web series. Tripathi ji will soon be seen playing the role of former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the film Main Atal Hoon. However, did you guys know that he loves vegetarian and plant-based diet? And to your surprise, the actor had survived an entire year solely on khichdi. Yes, the actor himself revealed this in a social media post and even shared his recipe. Khichdi is one of the most flavorful and nutritious Indian cuisines cooked with rice and lentils like green, yellow or red. You may eat it all year round to stay healthy or lose weight. So why not find out some of the health benefits of this healthy staple? Since rice and lentils are a superior source of protein, when combined, eating khichdi is healthy. Because it doesn't include any strong spices and is therefore always gentle on the stomach and intestines, khichdi is the ideal food. The nutrients in khichdi not only purify and relax the digestive system, but they also enhance immunity, digestion and energy. Eating khichdi might aid in the body's detoxification process, maintain digestive balance and aid in weight loss. Khichdi is protein packed and an amazing immunity booster. Because it controls your cholesterol levels, it is also good for your heart health. For more such videos, like and subscribe TheHealthSite.com.